Don't depend on motivation. There are two enemies are there for you people, right? There are two enemies are there for you people. Enemy number one. Enemy number one. The first enemy is motivation only, your biggest enemy. If I have motivation, then I will do that. If I'm not having the motivation, then because if you are depending on the motivation won't be there with you forever. Remember, the motivation won't be there forever with you. At the time going on, it is going to be fade out. Automatically, it's going to be fade out. Remember. So, the first biggest enemy for you people is motivation. Don't depend on that worst motivation word. The second biggest enemy is there. The second biggest enemy is thinking about perfection. Thinking about perfection. 100% I'm perfect. Then only I will do that. 100%. I have full money. Then only I will do that. 100% I have knowledge. Then only I will start that. If you are trying for 100% perfection, you are never going to do anything in your life. Perfection is a trap. Don't fall in that trap. Okay. So at least draft version we can do. At least rough version we will start first. Forget about perfection. Later we have a number of options are there to correct if we are doing the wrong. Why we have to wait for perfection? These two are biggest enemies, okay, in your life. Don't depend on these two words. Don't enter these two words. Okay, you require to hate these words.